Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. This video is all about how to plant, grow and care for sandpaper vine. It has many other names and you can see all of them on the screen. Honestly saying, sandpaper vine is truly a gorgeous plant and yet very easy to grow. I bought the plant from Amazon in January 2020 and you can find the link to the product in the description box. In this video I am going to discuss about complete sandpaper vine care with many tips and with many updates. So let's start the video now. As you can see, the plant was looking perfect at the time of buying. Buying plants online is a bit risky as many plants die due to the long transit time. But I was lucky enough that I got a decent plant. For the pot, selected one 12-inch pot and please select at least 10 to 14-inch pot for proper growth. For potting soil mix, I did it very basic way and that is 40% normal garden soil, 30% coco peat and rest 30% vermicompost. Alright, it's time to repot and let's do it very quickly. Repotting is done and it's time to water. Next I am going to keep the pot on terrace. So guys, this is the final result and as we can see the plant is looking really amazing. The color of the blooms is very unique and this is the thing I love most about sandpaper vine. In 2020 my plant did not bloom that well and it's absolutely normal. They take quite a long time to establish themselves and then they start to bloom well. But in 2021 my plant did really very well and it started blooming from February and it was blooming till around June. Alright, let's discuss about the most important things. First one is sunlight. I already said you that I kept my plant on terrace and that's why it was getting the whole day of sunlight. But whole day of sunlight is not required and 5 to 6 hours of sunlight is enough for proper growth and blooms. For watering, please note that sandpaper vine is not a fast growing vine such as morning glory and because of that it doesn't need lots of water. You can always let the top soil or top 1 inch soil dry out before watering. Just few days back I have also shifted my plant to a 16-inch pot and I am going to keep the plant in the same pot for next 2 to 3 years at least. For fertilizers I do the same way I do for my Mandevilla plants. I apply two components and those are bone meal 50 grams and mustard cake 30 grams. Instead of mustard cake, you can use either blood meal or fish emulsion or even 200 to 250 grams either vermicompost or composted cow dung powder. Instead of bone meal, you can use rock phosphate. Please try to fertilize your plant once in 30 to 45 days during the active growth, which is the summer. So guys, this is all about how to plant, grow and care for sandpaper vine. At any time if you want to propagate your plant, then please note that we can do that by stem cuttings. I hope you found this video useful and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.